Park on the right. Okay, Wish, there is one big secret between me and you now. What's the secret?
I don't know.
I don't know as well. There is a big secret, and it should not remain secret. We should let know the others about our secret. What's the secret?
Don't know.
Who except of us knows that we are parking?
No one.
No
So
one.
far. Yeah.
Okay, so we should indicate somehow that we intend to park.
Yeah.
How do we indicate that we intend to park?
With the blinkers,
First with the
emergency lights.
no. First with the right
yeah.
blinker, and after we find the parking spot,
Mhm.
we put the emergency blinkers.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Супер. Здравейте! Ние сме Sigma Driving Academy. Наши екип от опитни инструктори и модерни автомобили правят вашето обучение безопасно, ефективно и без излишен стрес.